After last month's huge turnout, Trucks and Coffee by Redline Racing is back again, and this time, even more trucks pulled up.
Alright guys, so I'm about to make another video. We're doing the part 2 to Trucks and Coffee. This time we did it with the homie. We're doing it at his shop right here. I mean, it starts at what, 10? It's 9:30 and there's already a good amount of trucks. So he said we could park trucks all up in the street and shit out here. The homie Albert just pulled up. Oh, okay, just go. It's already broken. Who cares? So we did it with the homie right here. He does smogs. His dad does smog. Diesel King smog, no? Something like that. So we left our trucks in here. The homie's truck, Ramirez, is the one I'm doing the meet with, and then my truck. And I got new stickers, so I'm about to start selling shirts. If you guys are interested, it's gonna be Redline Racing is the brand name. So I have a shirt on right now. It's gonna be the brand Redline Racing.
No, I did the 350.
As you see, you got the stickers I'm gonna be giving out to people out here. See, all motor labs right here, huh?
Oh, for real?
Now you are homie Ramirez, and I'm hosting the meet with.
What's up? What's up, chat? What's up, chat? Thank you everybody for coming. Oh hell yeah, thank you.
You guys shop now, Diesel Kings?
Yes, sir.
Diesel King Smogs. That's a cool setup. That car's nice. They actually got a full suspension setup. So Danny's truck. Here's the homie Danny right here. He's like the OG out here with the AML truck. I think he told me he was like one of the first ones to run the GT manifold. This fool was one of the first ones to run the GT manifold on his truck. And he just got this wheel setup right here. He got some Solanas, polished, that shit hard. I think he was on Forge Stars before. I think the last time you guys seen his truck, he was on the Forge Stars. Or I forgot what wheels he was on, but he was on a different set of wheels. So this fool just got these Solanas. They look pretty hard. I got the famous Isma Productions again. Look at them.
What's good? What's up, guys? Isma Productions. Just came back from scoping out a little spot for some photos. And then today we're at Trucks and Coffee. Hopefully it gets as packed as last time. We already have some nice trucks down there. March 22nd, Riverside, we're announcing something big we have planned. It's a event, not a meet. You have to buy your tickets. The tickets are $40 for entry. And then you can find more info on the Instagram, Ismo Productions, or my dad's. But yeah, stay tuned for that.
Oh, bro. These guys pulled up or what? Good, how about you, bro? Hello, bro. Benito, bro. Nice to meet you. Benito, bro. What's up, bro? Here from all Danny pulled up too.
Everyone got here early.
I know, bro. That's why. Oh, I barely got here. Yeah, bro. I parked inside though.
You almost didn't get a spot?
I parked inside with the food I did the shit with. I got stickers I'm gonna give out to you.
Oh, hell yeah.
Pass them out. Stickers, bro. The fastest guys in the IE or what? Nah, it's just, I'm gonna sell shirts,
Hey,
fool.
what is SSG?
Huh?
What is SSG?
Brand or what? It's bro, like, SSG is my initials for my last name, fool.
Oh, for real?
That's why I just put it in that bitch, bro. I'm probably not gonna put them on the shirt. SSG is my last name, so I was just mine, fool.
like
It's literally mine. Yeah, just because last time people were asking me all selling the shirt. I'm like, what's that made over there? I'm like, fucking, he makes them, how much I hate it. Nah, people keep thinking the racing team, like, hell nah.
That's what I thought too.
The fast guys set an application. All right, guys, it's already 10. So this is when the event's supposed to start. It's already filled inside, so we blocked off right there. There's still cars that can park for here. And then we'll probably just start parking cars back here and on the street. The good thing is it's not really a main street, so any car can park on the street. He said it should never be an issue. So I mean, that's a good thing. We'll probably start walking around more, recording more trucks and stuff. The coffee girl's setting up right now. But it should be cool. I gotta start giving out these stickers. I haven't given out enough. So a bunch. This is your truck, fool? Yeah, bro. You I'll be talking to, huh?
Yeah.
What's up, bro? You live nearby or what? Huh? You live nearby?
Nah, I live in Victorville, bro.
Oh shit, you made it out here, bro?
Yeah, bro. Bro, I didn't even get to wash. Bro, I was gonna get a detail yesterday, bro.
I'm glad you made it out though, fool.
Hell yeah, bro. I was like, bro, I seen the last one, bro. I was like, I had to.
Bro, and I'll probably do it again next month at our shop again, fool.
Yeah, I was gonna say, bro. I was like, damn, I thought it was in San Bernardino.
Yeah,
That shop is
yeah,
San
yeah.
Bernardino,
That
right?
one's San Bernardino.
Oh, okay. Thank you, bro.
Yeah, bro. Thank you for coming, bro. So the homies finally pulled up. Junior, who was saying that he wasn't gonna come, but that fool parked all the way down there. We'll go record his truck right now. That fool didn't want to come because he's on a different set of wheels. He had a blowout, so. But he ended up pulling through. We got the homie Manny. So now my homies are here. Here, Paul, look.
That's a new color.
Yeah, that's a new color. Well, everybody thinks it's a racing team. Everybody's asking, was your new racing team? I'm like, nah,
Yeah. Because when the mama
Red line
went racing,
racing.
you're like, no, it's not for racing.
I'm gonna have just Albert and Junior in my front lines who out there racing for me.
Everybody,
Well, your truck about to be like, fuck it, bro. Forgot that homie Junior came, look, because he's on his F14s right now. This setup is still hard as fuck to me. I think he's tripping. But it's because he had a blowout on the S77s, and he got them fixed already, but I don't know why he didn't want to put them on. I think he wants to get them polished now. Because he had a blowout and the wheel like bent a little bit, but yellow, he got it fixed. I don't know why he didn't put them on, but he's like, nah, my truck looks too ugly with these wheels on, bro. You're tripping. These wheels are still hard. He's obviously not on a fat tire. This shit spins. He hit something right here on the way out. On the way here, almost spun out. That shit spins way more. Obviously, it's 275. But look at the homie representing already. Red Line Racing. I've been giving out these stickers left and right, so shit. I'm gonna take some pictures of the homie's truck real quick. The back of it. It's currently 10:15. It's already full. So the inside's already packed. Out here's all packed already. I mean, it's pretty cool. That's a pretty badass truck. You got pacas over here. Look, shit hard, bro. Why is there a bunch of trucks stopped up over there?
There was a gang on 7-Eleven right now.
Really?
Yeah, bro, it's gonna get overfilled regardless. People are gonna park wherever they find a parking.
Oh, megaphone.
Megaphone. He's talking about a megaphone.
He's group leader.
All those who pulled up, look. That shit hard, bro.
Try it.
Yeah, I think she'll be straight. So this shit getting packed. There's people all the way down here still. Like, keeps going all the way down here. That truck's badass. Look how that truck looks. This shit sounds crazy. Look. Damn, this shit packed. Is that a fucking boosted Tacoma? My fault, I haven't been talking too much, guys. I've been all over the place again. But we're trying to make a good video out of it. This is a new Ford color. I don't know if you guys seen this color. They got rid of the antimatter blue and they did this color. I think it's called, I'm not sure what it's called, but I know it's a new color. Pretty nice. It's like nice blue. This one's badass right here. This is the one I want to record. That's a clean ass wheel setup too. This is clean. That one on the billet specialties. Billet specialties. How you doing, fool? Good. How about you? I haven't seen you in a minute, bro. What happened to your wheel setup? Oh, you dropped it, huh? That shit looks good though. Didn't you have the cow hood?
Yeah.
You took it off? Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh, that's a 2-inch one, huh?
Yeah.
That's what I want, bro.
And I got the carbon fiber with it, but llamada Madrid.
Mine's all fucked up too, fool. I remember last time I seen it was lifted, fool.
Ah, it's been a while, huh?
With Juan don't pop out no more. What up, bro? Oh, fool. Here, Pangino, stickers, fool. How about you? Your homies pull up? Yeah. Your homies pull up?
Slap him on.
Good, fool. probably was selling that dude, bro. That shit's packed, bro.
Thank you.
Alright, bro. Yeah, thank you for coming, bro.
Where's that coffee at?
It's inside of the bay that says smog. Yeah. I'll do it again next month at our shop.
Okay.
San Bernardino.
Más para allá.
Yeah, más para allá. At our shop, it was pretty active last month too. Actually got packed. And we have like a big enclosed space kind of like this. So we're able to fit like 50 trucks on the inside, and then on the rest we parked them on the street on the third.
I've seen that shit.
7-Eleven.
I didn't go to that one.
Yeah. Not but yeah,
I'll
bro.
pull up to the other one if you do another one.
I'm gonna do a part in April though. Alright then, bro. Thank you for coming, fool.
Yeah.
Got 5-0 Guido pull up. Fast guy right here, Whipple. It's just clean. Has a polished fucking F14s. Orange beadlock. It's pretty hard. Where's your ram at, fool?
Brought the bed today.
Heard that shit, bro. That's loud. Here, let me get this ticket, fool.
Oh shit.
Have
Hey,
a
we
fast
got
guy,
active today, huh?
Oh yeah, bro. It's still hella cars down there, hella trucks. Oh, you came that way, huh?
Yeah, okay.
Just
Fun.
back,
I got
bro.
out early. Oh, late. I mean, if let them know, they pull up. It's bad.
Well, I pulled up like at 9 and it was already packed the inside. You know what I'm
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for coming, bro. Got the fast guys over here, Fernie in there. I've seen this truck somewhere too before. Is it? I think I have. Fast guy Fernie right here. Look at this dude's truck. Bro, I love this line. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, no hemos comido dinner.
Oh, te mando un mensaje con el cambio a ver if you're home.
No, I got you. Yes, no, thank you.
Oh, so you guys saw? That's the homie Lobo Schwab. He's the one that could do all your programming, Ford scan, the FDRs on your Fords, all that shit. So that's the homie I go with. He does my cluster, he did my paddle shifters, everything I gotta do some shit in my truck like that. That's like wiring and shit. I have him do it for me. Danny didn't tell us his shooting story in the last video. They can tell us now.
Didn't pull up last time. All bad.
Got the homie out trucking. He wrapped his truck. It's pretty badass, and then he power coated his wheels black. So it's this new setup that he did. He wanted to really reveal it here at the meet. Came out pretty clean. So we got people doing burnouts and shit. That's the only thing about getting spots like permission and shit. There's always people that do burnouts, even if you tell them not to. That's the bad thing about it, but I'm probably gonna say this is the homie Danny right here and Terranor Luis. So they're from Mondelos. This is the homie I do phone run with him last time when we're both cat deletes. But now with the headers, he wants to do a rerun to see the difference with the headers. I know this homie right here is full bolt on headers, same setup as me basically. So we're probably gonna set up some fun runs where we go race each other, and then I'll probably make a video out of that shit. It'll be fun. But yeah, cause they always do road nights and shit like that. And I want to start popping out to those events, but they'd be out in the middle of the night, and I don't like doing that. After 10, I don't go out anymore. I'll be tucked in at my house. After 10 is when all this madre starts. I don't do that shit. I'll literally be home. 10 p.m. is the latest I get home. These are nice. This is badass. It's the same wheel setup as my truck. It's clean. What else we got here? You know my boy? That's a yeah, no way. I don't know why else keep parking. I parked inside one of the bays, fool, but
I feel like parking the street.
yeah, fool, thank you for coming, bro. See you right now. But the real fast guy out here, bro. What up, fool?
Slowest, the slowest F-150 out
No, nah, bro. Whipple, bro, must be nice. That beadlock. That was hard too. I think I followed that on Instagram. Was it homie?
The homie party.
Oh, what up, bro? Nice to
Sure.
meet you, bro. Benito, bro. Just clean, fool.
I got it washed yesterday.
Got the Puerto 5-0 stamping. Look at that. I'm on a fast track now, huh? I need to, bro. I want to get the ESS kit.
Oh, the Pro Track?
When I went with Angel last week to get my shit retuned for the headers, he's like, I'll give you one. Thinking about it, bro.
Yeah, they're cheaper. The good thing about those is like, so when I've like learned this shit like that, when it's an outer, you could
Should fit in there, bro. It's small. been a pretty good turnout so far. Hella people pulled up again. I think it's more people than last time for sure. I think next time I do it, I might have to find a bigger shop to do it at. I have a homie that says he has a 2-acre land, but it's all dirt. That's a bad thing about it. So for the orchards, obviously, I said cabrón for to put them in there, you know. But yeah, I mean, it was a good turnout so far. There's a good amount of people that came. We'll see what's up. And it's still what? I think it's really like 11. I don't even think it's been an hour. It's 11:25, so it's been an hour 30 minutes at the meet officially started, and we already filled this bitch up.
Shop's always gonna have a fast turn. I'm talking about a daily fucking your average person.
But I know that fool says he's not gonna be out racing like that though. I know, bro. His truck is at Angels.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's getting.
Cause bro, we're gonna do reruns now that I have the headers. I'm like, he's telling me I'm telling him to pull up, but his truck's at Angels. It's Danny. It's Danny with the. He's on with the pepper one. He was.
Llega a la casa sin asientos, sin alfombras, es posible.
Le saca todo. Fool, you didn't want to know everything he's like.
Because you say 15 pounds right there. Hey, dog, you do what you gotta do.
So you know headliners and all that.
Everything counts, dog.
No, I know. I just give him shit because.
He gave me shit the first time he washed my truck. And I was like, where's your interior?
Ese clean y salió con la tiradora,
I guess the cops pulled up. I don't think they're bugging anybody though. I feel like as long as people are not doing dumb shit, we should be straight. What's going on, bro? What's going on? We're not doing dumb shit.
Fuck that fool.
It's too easy, small. Manny toes lost. Bobo swaps. I mean, I feel like as long as someone's doing dumb shit, bro.
Yo.
You know, Manny's like you're the tall guy, you're professional, fool. Say what's up to him.
I'm gonna say so.
Hey, bro, what's going on?
Well, you're the one with the camera. Get the footage.
Oh, no.
You're the host.
Nah, shit, I don't need to. Extra carbon fiber. Hey, what happened with your homie that was dropping his shucks? ¿Le hizo o no? They needed the drop shackles.
Oh yeah, he had like Coronado.
He had some?
Yeah, he's on.
Okay. Peace out, bye. Damn, this bitch is bad, bro. Start. Fuck, this is bad, bro. This is a real fast truck right here. I be thinking I'm fast, bro. Fuck no. It's just clean. Oh, fuck, this is bad. It's hot as fucking this bitch. That's why I got my little. I have my Model 3 because they charge free. Original AML fast truck, huh?
See, pop that hood.
Oh shit, the car. Alright, peace out, bro.